Korean cultural event Hojak-do. Min-hwa is the Korean folk painting. There are many themes of Min-hwa, and each theme has a certain meaning. Hojak-do is the most famous painting of Min-hwa. The tiger and the magpie are usually in Hojak-do. In old times, Koreans believed that the tiger has the spiritual power to defeat ghosts. Magpies are the closest bird to Koreans, and it is believed that the magpie will bring good luck. Also, the pine tree in Hojak-do means the new year. There are so many ways of drawing Hojak-do. Sometimes the tiger looks funny, sometimes kind too. Try to draw Hojak-do in your own style. Choose the medium of your choice, traditional or digital, and don't forget to sign it. Spread our event to your friends and neighbors and upload your pictures of Patjuk and Hojak-do on Instagram without forgetting to tag Koceabe.asbl. Gifts will be awarded to the winners.